Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Dina. I'm from 5th A class, English Education Department in UIN Suskaryau. So, I have a project from a research and development lecturer in ELT, namely Mr. Nuardi MED. So now, we can explain about survey design.
People are familiar with surveys. Although we survey, aspect people using an instrument in educational research. The instrument is only one aspect of other in survey design. This chapter defines survey research and identifies when you use it and how it developed, assess the key characteristic of it, and advance the steps in conducting and evaluating this design. By the end of this chapter, you should be able to first, define survey research and describe when to use it and how it developed. The types of survey design. The third, identify the key characteristic of survey research. The fourth, describe how to construct and use questionnaire. The fifth, describe how to design and conduct an interview survey, social ethnical issues in survey research. The seventh, list the steps in conducting survey research. And the last, identify criteria used for evaluating survey research.
What is survey research? Survey research is quantitative research. Administer a survey to a sample or population, statistically analyze the data, describe trends in the data, learn about population's attitudes, opinions, behaviors, or characteristics. When do you use survey research? Survey research can use if described trends as it relates to a specific problem or issues. We can determine individual or population or opinions, and we can help identify belief of attitude. And the last, we can evaluate system, processes, and programs in schools. About how did survey research develop? First, use in education dating back to 1817. Secondly, by the 1950s, modern surveys began to emerge. The third, Likert scale, for example, strongly agree to strongly disagree. The fourth, social research organizations. The fifth, the age of information technology. And the last, innovation continue with better software and real-time data collection and analytics. The next step, what are the key characteristics of survey research? First, sampling from a population. Okay, we can see difference among these three terms. At the broad level is the population. The population is the group of individuals having one characteristic that distinguishes them from other groups. In practical operational terms, researchers study a target population, sometimes called the sampling frame. It's the actual list of sampling units from which the sample is selected. At the most specific level, researchers select a sample. Is the group of participants in a study selected from the target population from which the researchers generalize to the target population. Secondly, questionnaires or interviews. The form of data collection to survey research will complete or record the data. These have participants and researchers. Participants have mailed questionnaires and electronic questionnaires. And about research one-on-one, this is individual interview to a group, focus group interview, and over telephone interview. The third, about instrument design. You should first consider whether a survey instrument is available to measure your variables. If you don't design your own, you can write questions, question construction, and pilot testing. The fourth about response rate. Survey research seek high response rates from participants in a study so that they can have confidence in generalizing the result to the population under study. When using interviews, the response rate is high because individual interview typically consent to the interview in advance. However, when questionnaires are used, the number of response returned, tough, mild, or electrically, will vary. On the instrument there are returned, the survey research is also concrete about whatever the return response are biased. Even a small return rate may not be biased and be acceptable in survey research. Okay, this is type of cross-sectional and longitudinal survey design. Time of data collection have two data. First, study over time, and secondly, study at one point in time. Study over time have longitudinal. This is trend in the same population over time and change in a subpopulation group identified by a common characteristic over time. And the last this is about change in the same population over time. Study at one point in the time, this is about cross-sectional. Have attitudes and practice, community needs, and program evaluation. This is some group comparisons and national assessment. The next, what are the steps in the conducting survey research? The steps in the process of conducting survey research follow the general process of research. Survey step, however, primarily the procedure for the collecting data, analyzing data, and writing the final report. Step 1. Decide if a survey is the best design to use. You need to decide whatever survey research is the best design to use in the study. Step 2. Identify the research question or hypothesis. You can address both research question and hypothesis in a survey design. Survey lend themselves to hypothesis testing because you will be studying a sample to draw inference to a population. Step 3. Identify the population, the sampling frame, and the sample. The process of survey research begins with identifying the population. Wherever you can obtain a list of names, for example, the sampling frame for the sample. Step 4. Determine the survey design and data collecting procedures. The research must also determine if the survey study will be cross-sectional or longitudinal. Step 5. Develop or locate an instrument. You need an instrument to collect or measure the variable in a study. Step 6. Administer the instrument. This step is perhaps the most time-consuming phase of survey research. Step 7. Analyze the data to address the research question or hypothesis. The data analysis procedures will relate the type of research question or hypothesis the research plan to address to the study. Step 8. Write the report. You should write the survey study using a STAR quantitative structure that consists of an introduction, the review of literature, the method, the result, and the discussion. There are 6 data collection, analytics, and written report. First, sensitive topics. Secondly, consents. The third, insensitive. The fourth, interviewers, risk, and safety. The fifth, personally identifiable information. And the last, destruction of instruments. And the last topic, how do you evaluate survey research?
I think that's enough for videos today. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.